The legends speak of the power held by the runic gem of Thandor, a powerful runestone which split into three many centuries ago, each fragment buried alongside the three kings who once held them. We don't yet know what will be revealed once we have uncovered the gems of the three brothers and reforged them. It is here within the Deepseeker that we shall find out. There's a long road ahead of us. We're going to need more parts to get the Deepseeker fully working. I'll leave that up to you. Greetings. It's only the beginning of your journey. The mountains themselves will bow before you. How may I